Second update of my first built-in Fiverr Forex bot. What's up guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing alright. As always, if you're familiar with my channel, Kawan over here. If you're not, I'm always making videos all about making money online, and specifically about automated Forex systems. They call EA or bot, and different digital products reviews and whatever actually get the highest potential, make you the most money online. And I would make video and then share it on my channel. So for that, please consider subscribing to my channel, activate the bell icon. As soon as I release a video like this one you're watching, you wouldn't miss. So this is my channel obviously, but the point is, last week actually I got my first EA or Forex bot, built in or developed from Fiverr, and then it was last night as well. I got my second one as well. But about the first one, obviously, I'm just monitoring how it's performing over time. So today being second day, this one is it's just kind of simulating the same concept. If I was gonna go with, let's say, 100K challenge with, let's say, FTMO or other prop firms and funding programs, but you call it like FTMO challenge, where they say, okay, with 100K you're gonna hit, like, let's say, $10,000 profit gain within at least 10 trading days or 30 days, normal days, I think, yeah. And while your drawdown should be not exceeding, I think, 5,000 daily and 10,000 overall. So I'm gonna go through them to you to show the power of this, but I got developed on Fiverr with Fiverr freelancers, to show you whether it's nice or not. I may start selling this bot as well, but if you were really curious the way I am as well, you may just stick around. I mean, subscribe to my channel and then check my updates on, let's say, weekly basis, and then just track along how this bot would work. So if it work out nice, you may try it as well. I mean, buy it, try it, and try it on demo. If it was nice, I'm trying it on demo. This is demo account. And if it was nice, try passing a challenge for yourself, and then just get the proper financial freedom, they say. Anyway, with this said, let's check out what is going on over here. So if I go to trade says, okay, so I started with 100K. You see it's already 102,511, and acuity is 102,000 for 495 something, and then margin is 340 and whatever you see over here. So if I go to exposure as well says, so far made it like 100,000 to 102,511, and I think, yeah, it's just set on XAU and USD, which is gold, dollar, USD. And if I go to account history, so we're going to see what is going on over here. So far I started with, it was, I think, this is the second trading day this bot is working. So I started on 4th, quite late, so it wasn't full day, as you see over here. So around 7 p.m. UK time I started. So as you may know, if I call it, let's see if it was Friday, which I think it was Friday. If you're not familiar, so Forex market, closed down around 12 p.m. on Friday. So let's see. So 4th, I'm gonna try. I'm trying to find out if it was. Yeah, it was Friday. So imagine in couple of hours, it got me, I think nearly 700 or something, profit. So if I go to, yeah. So you see it's just 4, and then it starts weekend comes between, and then starts today, which is 7th. Anyway, so for 2 days, that's the profit you see over here, 2,511. While let's say the floating loss, which is nothing. So floating loss is nothing. It's just -2 now. It's just nothing. It's bang bang. So I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, if I go to exposure, yeah, slightly got profit. I think profit made. That's why. Yeah, that was about that. I'm gonna go to if I go to my FX book, so making sure if this one is the 100k. So as you see, is 100k as FTMO challenge. So I'm gonna just show you the track over here. So in 2 days, you're gonna rely on this because this is not the made up. Nobody's tweaking anything. It's not being hacked or whatever. And you see demo account, IC market, technical, automated. What is called this one? Leverage is 100, MetaTrader 4, and I'm trying to kind of mimic, like simulate if it was like FTMO challenge. So for some reason this trading privilege not verified. I don't know why. I messaged these guys to see what is going on with that, and then kind of verify me whatever that takes anyway. But the point is, like in 2 days, it got me plus 2.51%, and daily compound rate of return leading to the total gain. So that's that. But this one is the monthly, and drawdown is 0.9. Drawdown is 0.9. I don't know if that's gonna be okay or good or whatever, but to be honest with you, it's just nice. I mean, I'm quite happy with it. So I think it's gonna be a nice, but obviously, and this is about that one. If I switch back to the VPS, so you see that's that one. So if I go to the other one, so I started with 200 on this one. If I go back, if I go to account history, so we will see what I'm talking about. So I started I think I started over here day before, but actually started trading it. I deposited, I created this account day before I started these bots, but I started using both bots at the same time, but this one a bit earlier. So this one was started 4 o'clock, the other one started like 9 o'clock, 3 hours different between them. But then I set this one on a mixture of pairs. So you see gold USD, Euro USD, and Great British Pound USD as well. But mainly this bot is going to trade mainly on gold USD. You see, guys, so I started with 200 in 2 days. I don't know if you're gonna call it aggressive. It's so aggressive, it's not gonna be reliable. That's what the YouTube gurus say. Don't be so aggressive. It's not gonna be stable. It's not gonna be reliable long term. I know that, but honestly, I haven't touched any of the setting. Even I said, okay, let's say instead of 15 trades at time, do 25 trades. And I changed the time frame. Time frame from 15 minutes. So initially, I was advised to set it on 15. I put it on 15, and then I wasn't really happy and satisfied with the amount of let's say trades, and then I changed it to M1. And then as soon as I changed it to M1, bang, 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 tons of trades were placed, and then that's what I see over here. So anyway, if you wanna call it aggressive, super aggressive, whatever you're gonna call it, that's the profit made so far. And then if I go back to trades, you're gonna see what's the floating. It's just $11. $11 is floating loss, as you see over here, nothing made up. And then equity is 376, while balance is 387. So the difference is almost $11, as you saw, as floating loss. So I'm quite happy with this, but as I said, I may sell this spot in future. Look out for it. But again, the point is, monitoring this spot as long as possible to see whether worth, let's say, investing real money with this, or like setting this on live account. So I would look out for that, and then you better to stick around, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell icon, so each time I check the performance of my bot. This is my first bot, so I got a new bot today as well, so I will see what I can do with the other one. And then yeah, as I said, I may share this bot with you guys, and then I may put it for sale. Obviously I do everything on Fiverr. I do outsource everything from articles to now the most recent project I have had been these bots over here, because I'm always after passive ways of making money. So that's the channel of that's the name of my channel anyway. So with that said, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. That way you keep watching my updates each time I make one. With that said, guys, comment below, give me your opinion. What do you think of this? Oh, before I go, I was really going to forget about showing this stats from my FX block on the other account, which is demo weight 200 initial. So if I go there, the only thing about this one I can say is saying, so when was updated, obviously not taking 20, let's say last 23 hours. This was updated 23 hours, almost yesterday we could say. For that, the drawdown seems quite high. The only problem with that, I could say, drawdown. Demo account, IC market, technical, automated, 1,500. This one is quite big, and everything is intact over here. So I'm verified over here, track record verified, everything is verified. If I go to balance, we can see from 200 all the way to 256, which was for first, today being 7th. We need to be waiting maybe tomorrow to see what this once this updated, what would be the figure changes over here. So we will see. I hope this drawdown drops for this one as well, which was amazing on the 100k one. I'm super dumped with the 100k one, but this one is not, they say it seems very terrifying and very dangerous, they say. But if I could make some bucks over here, I may just put as much as I could wish to lose if I was gonna have it blown up. So it would be fine. This one mainly does XAU USD as well, some Great British Pound USD, some Euro USD as well. Well, and then lot sizes, I haven't touched any of these lot size or anything, so I just left it bot with pretty much its default setting. All I did was increasing the amount of trades. So instead of 15, I think I set it to 25. Yeah, that was about that as well. Yeah, so as I said, I may sell this bot in soon future, so you would know what you will be dealing with. So guys, with that said, please stay safe, and then I will see you in the next one. Bye.